Our channel does not do a lot of challenges.
I love challenges!
Daughter does mother's makeup challenge. What's this? I always wondered what this is.
I can hear you trying to get more out of that bottle.
Okay, what do I do? So today I thought it would be fun for me and Mom to do a Daughter Does Mother's Makeup Challenge. I've been waiting for a really long time to do this, and today's the day.
Our channel does not do a lot of challenges. Nobody complains in the house about this, except Julie.
I love challenges!
Julie is constantly begging to do challenges.
The ice cream challenge, the egg roulette challenge, the lemon challenge, the baby food challenge, the my smoothie is alive challenge, the Oreo challenge, the smoothie challenge, and the cupcake topping challenge.
Usually I ignore Julie and she goes away with the suggestion because I don't like challenge videos. But this one, she would not relent.
Mom, can I do a makeup challenge on you? Mom, can I do a makeup challenge? Mom, can I do a makeup challenge with you? Mom, can I do a makeup challenge? Mom, can I do a makeup challenge?
Yes! Yes, you can do a makeup challenge.
So today I'm gonna do my mom's makeup, which I'm really excited for. And we're gonna start by wiping off the rest of our makeup. We have a makeup removers. Wow, already a lot.
That's a lot. That would get me about a week.
What do I do now?
Okay, what do I do?
Just start smearing it on.
Should I wash my hands off?
Yeah.
Guys, I think this is working really well.
You're such a cutie.
I got it in your eyebrows. Oh, that's a lot.
Okay.
Okay, what do we do next?
I don't know. You're doing my makeup. I like to draw eyebrows on.
Like this?
Yeah. Yeah,
Probably.
very good. Your face right now. What are you smiling at over there? Oh, you're going up on the eyebrow. Okay. You're going against the grain.
Don't look until I'm done.
Julie has expressed interest in makeup. If she was like, I want to do makeup because I don't feel good about myself, or I want to do makeup because I feel ugly, I would be more concerned. But she just thinks it's fun. And she sees her aunts do it, and she sees her sisters, and she's expressed the desire to learn the techniques and maybe even go to styling school, hair school.
Yeah.
Cool. You'd be really good at it. This is good practice for you. You've got all the girls you could want in the house to practice on, so.
This one? Is this the blending side?
I like to use this as the blending brush.
Okay.
I didn't learn what blending meant until 2 years ago. 2.
Can I do more than one color?
Sure. Lots of people use multiple colors and then kind of blend it together.
Mom, no peeking.
It's so fun to see what all of the kids want to do when they grow up. I used to have in mind what I thought each kid would be happiest doing, and my intentions were all good. Like, oh, Julie would be best if she was doing this because these are her strengths. But it didn't always work out the way I wanted, and what I ended up being was a really controlling mom. So I made the decision that I'm just gonna let my kids do and be whatever they want, and I'm gonna encourage from the sidelines, even if it's not what I thought they should be. And you know what? We're all happier now.
Mom, I'm done with that.
Do you want me to look?
Yeah.
Not bad.
What is this?
Contour palette.
Where do you put it?
They go right here, under the cheek lines to define. So you don't put it on the cheek itself, you put it under the cheek.
Okay.
And that's a shimmer, that's a highlight. And the highlight goes right here.
I don't want you looking at all until I'm entirely done.
Okay, I'm not gonna look. I promise. I'm really tempted to look right now, but I'm not. The secret with contouring, and I've learned this the hard way because I'm on camera every day and then I see what I look like at the end of the day. Last year at CVX Live, I went with a new contouring product I tried, and I did not blend it very well. In the morning when I did my makeup, I thought it looked fine, but then when I saw it on camera, it was like one big triangle right here, and I probably had 100 comments that said, you need to blend your contouring. And yes, that's true. I'm
Okay.
better at it now. Okay, my eyes are still shut.
Where's the mascara?
Well, I can't open my eyes.
Does it say Clinique on it?
Clinique.
Clinique.
And it's black with, I think, a silver lid.
Chubby Lash.
Yes! You found it!
Mom,
What do you want me to do?
open your eyes.
I'm not looking. I'm like literally not looking. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, that's scary.
Close your eyes.
Okay, I did not see anything, I promise. I was not. I'm trying to dry them so they don't dry together.
I'm gonna do your lipstick. My favorite lipstick color is this color. Because I'm not gonna tell Mom which color it is.
Is it pink?
Just don't guess, don't guess.
Okay.
Okay, Mom, leave. Does that look good or bad? I can't tell.
I can tell by the applicator what product this is. I don't know what color, but this is a very rough product to get right on your lips. It's a matte finish and it's really difficult. I even have a hard time with this, Julie, so don't feel bad if it doesn't go on just great, okay?
Yes, I'll be right back.
It's so tempting to look right now. I really want to peek.
Mom always uses one of these.
What? What is it?
I think.
A Q-tip! What? Am I beautiful?
Okay, throw this away. I'm so excited for her to see this, but I kind of want to add more of the highlight. Okay. What's this?
Blush.
I always wondered what this is.
Setting powder. You tip it upside down like this, and then you take a brush and you just grab a little bit, and then you put it all over the face.
I'm going to set my mom's face.
It feels really soft, like you're putting powdered sugar on my face.
I've always wanted to try this. I don't know why, but I have. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm. Oh! My mouth was open. I think we have enough spray.
There was only 2 sprays.
Trust me, we have enough.
Okay.
So I can hear you squeezing it. I can hear you trying to get more out of that bottle. Oh! Julie! That does not smell good. And it tastes awful. Oh! Okay, are you... Stop it.
One more side.
Okay, Julie, when
Okay.
you do it, you need to be like 6 inches away.
Okay.
I can feel it dripping down my cheek. It's dripping.
Okay, I need it. Okay, your face is complete. It's time to look.
Can I open them?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
My cheeks are hurting.
I kind of look like a sad doll. Oh! Good job with the lipstick. That lipstick is really hard to use. It's nice once it's on because it stays and it doesn't move. But getting it on is really tricky. You know what my most favorite part of this whole thing was?
Me doing it.
Spending time with you. Just goes to show you can connect with your kids without doing anything outside your own bathroom.
Okay.
I love you, honey. Come here. I will support you in any way I can if you really want to take this talent and develop it. Do my hair.
What?
Yeah, do my hair.
You want me to?
Yeah, I do.
Really?
Like I really do. I want you to fix my hair.
Okay.
Whoa. No more. No more. No more. Please. No more. No more!
You guys like my mom's hair? And one long tall bun.
I feel like a really old school teacher. Sit in class and write your memoirs. No talking. Go to recess.
No.
You guys, thank you so much for watching. We love you. I love you. I love you
You're
a
getting
lot.
makeup on.
I'm gonna share it with you.
No.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I
Not
want
your
to share everything with you. I want to share with you.